Hi, this is Edye Beans, and I am with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, I am making, ready? Savory Caprese bread.
Caprese.
Now, why it's called Caprese bread? You got it. Mozzarella, basil, sun-dried tomatoes. While volunteering in the nunnery project on the island of Capri in Italy, I stumbled across this really cute cafe. They had made this savory caprese bread. I am so excited to cook. Somewhat minimal ingredients. The recipe will be in the description below. Please do us a huge favor. Click that like button, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. It's the best way to help our little channel grow big. I am ready to cook. This is exciting. It's usually like a breakfast or snack kind of bread, and it is breakfast time. Let's cook.
Caprese. Caprese.